Hi, I'm Preetipls, Singapore's top everything. Today I'm gonna attempt a full face of viral makeup hacks.
Nobody asked. Literally nobody asked them.
This video is in partnership with Zalora, so I'm gonna include all the makeup details on screen and you can actually get everything on Zalora.com. I don't think I've actually tried any viral makeup hacks before, but I am quite a skeptic, so I don't know if these hacks will actually work. But today it is time to finally put it to the test. Let's begin with my foundation. So I've seen a lot of foundation hacks online. We have the foundation in your water one, apply foundation with a flat surface thingy, putting on foundation with what looks like a silicone implant. Usually when you think of a makeup hack, it's supposed to make your life a bit easier lah. But this foundation hack is actually 5 steps long.
Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take some setting spray. Could be any setting spray. Take a primer and just put your primer. Also wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
So the first step is moisturizer. I'm using the Laneige Water Bank Gel Hydratant. Now that I'm moisturized, honestly, this feels kind of wrong. Trust the process. The next step is to go in with some setting spray. So I'm using this finishing spray from Revolution. I think this hack just feels very unnatural because you put powder way too early into this routine, and that's usually at the end of your routines. So weird. My skin is primed and apparently finally ready for foundation. This is the moment of truth. This feels like I'm immediately getting a matte application as I apply my foundation, if that makes sense. It does look very matte. Typically when you apply skincare right before foundation, it gives you a little bit of like a glowy, dewy finish, but this is giving me a very matte finish instead. And I think that is the doing of the powder. Anyways, here's how the foundation looks after the hack. I think it looks and feels pretty nice. It's really matte but not drying. Either way, a hack is supposed to make my life a bit easier. This added way too many steps into my routine. So now it is time to move on to the next hack. The next step is concealer, and how I typically apply concealer is truly just one big swipe under my under eyes and anywhere that I have blemish scars. But today we are gonna attempt the lifting concealer. So this is apparently supposed to help lift my features and just make my base makeup a bit more snatched. I'm a bit skeptical because I feel like you would need to use multiple shades lighter to really see that effect. Wow, how come she got so much space to do here, sia? Here, up here. Why my lines all saying it? I feel very unhinged doing this. Also the one on my eyelid, anyhow. So I'm just gonna make sure when I blend it out, I blend it upwards as well. If not, for what I do this, huh? I guess it did kind of help with the lifting. I cannot tell. Tell me in the comments if you think this made a difference at all. I'm kidding, don't tell me because I know you're lying if you say yes. And I feel like I'm just painting, yeah. Maybe when you do this hack, use less concealer. What's this? You see, it's all in my hair. I do not recommend this concealer hack. Okay, this hack useless. I think this will work so much better when you have your full face done to define and clean up certain areas. Now it is time to draw my brows. So there is no like special brow hack that I'm going to be trying, but it is a very viral brow tutorial.
So next to the tip of your nose and mark. Rotate it to go over your pupil and you're going to make another mark. Lastly, line it up with the outer corner of your eye.
Here is supposed to be start your brow arch. It's supposed to end here. So this is how I would typically fill in my brows already. So sometimes when I'm just filling it in right, my brow can end up here, yeah. So this guide kind of helps because before you draw your brow, you're like, okay, I know when I need to chill, I know my limits. Now it is finally time for one of my all-time favorite makeup steps. It is blush. So I'm gonna be using this super dewy liquid blush that I got from Revolution. I'm gonna add color back into my face, and I always just do 2 dots here, blend it up. But today I'm gonna try the W blush trend. So this is a viral makeup hack to make your face look a bit more like sun-kissed, natural glow. My doctor told me I lack vitamin D, so I probably not sun-kissed lah. I don't know how pigmented this is, so I probably should have like kind of swatched it and tried it out first. I'm scared. Oh, nice. Trust the process. Why is it kind of cute, but why is my nose blush a bit too high? My W, like, you know what I look like? Because I know what I look like. I look like a ooh girl. I do think it is very cute, so I would say this W blush trend is Preetipls approved. Oh my gosh, is this my blush or am I just happy to see you? It's my blush lah. I'm all about using hacks to make my life easier, and this truly sounds like a good hack because it is just a 1 dot contour hack. Feel your jaw, and the first part that you feel your teeth, here is where you should put this 1 dot. Now let's blend it out. Excuse me, contour. Where did you go? I don't know how I feel about this, but another contour hack that I can try is actually the finger contour hack. Is just grab some contour on your ring fingers, run your fingers down your nose. Hey, it kind of worked. This is definitely Preetipls approved. I guess when you use your own fingers, your hands just know your own body, so you can feel like exactly where it's supposed to slide down. These worked really well. It's kind of cute. So there's actually an eyeshadow hack out there for beginners, and instead of applying them horizontally over your lid, you are supposed to apply them vertically with a brush. Then you take a blending brush and blend it all out. Wow, this looks like intentional. I mean, it was intentional, but you know what I mean. So if you don't really have a lot of experience using eyeshadow, I definitely recommend this eyeshadow hack. And just make sure you pick your colors appropriately. The only issue that I have, there is actually quite a bit of eyeshadow fallout that I will now need to clean. Honestly, my eyeshadow damn nice. We've come to the part of the video that I'm truly the most excited about because I finally get to try out this eyeliner hack. How this hack works is that all you're supposed to do is just rest your eyeliner on the outer corner of your eye and then just aggressively turn your head. So that's all you're supposed to do. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's this? Does it work? I don't even... It doesn't lah. Okay, I cannot be a hater. What's going on here? What is this? Unfortunately, I think that eyeliner hack is a no from me, which is so sad because that's the one I really wanted to work. We have come to the final hack and it is time to use lip stain as a lip liner. So you can use any kind of lip tint or stain, and I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty lip oil. Take a nice thin little brush. Okay, I have lined my lips. So hopefully this leaves a nice lip liner-ish kind of stain. In the meantime, I'm just gonna set my makeup. Damn, it looks good! This was really smart. My lips look like I have lip liner on, but it's completely nothing anymore because it is a stain. Now I can put on this gloss as if I have nothing on my lips. The purple lip liner effect and this shimmery gloss over looks so good together. So this lip stain hack is Preetipls approved. So here is the final look of a full face of viral makeup hacks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope this was useful so you guys can know which hacks you might want to try out and which hacks you can say hello, wasting my time, and then you don't need to try, you know? If you guys want to check out any of the makeup products that I used today, all the details were on screen throughout the video if you were paying attention. If not, they're all in the description box, so don't worry about it. I was actually quite shocked when I checked out the Zalora beauty section because there's so many makeup brands that are not actually available in Singapore that I can get via Zalora. So go check it out and let me know if you try any of these makeup hacks. So if you like this video, like me, just say lah! Press like on the video and also subscribe to Zalora Singapore for more content like this. Make sure you subscribe to me too. Thank you. Bye.